Morning around the globe, and the rescuer out here in the boogie down Bronx on the opposite side of normally where I work at. I'm out here with another rescuer, Tony the rescuer right there, helping him feed his cats. And I'm also with Maria, but Maria is not here at this location. She's waiting down because we had to do a lot of climbing and stuff. So Maria is waiting for us on the street. So we out here feeding homeless cats in the boogie down Bronx. Real people do real things. I am Anna the rescuer, and we save the lives of homeless animals. Thank you for watching Around the Globe. This is a shelter that another rescuer made for the homeless animals in the boogie down Bronx. Good morning around the globe. Anna the rescuer. I'm out here in these streets with Maria and Carmen the rescuer. We are at 162. Let's see. It's Mid Avenue in the Bronx. And we are here to save our pregnant. Can you see her? She's right there. It just looks like a bright light just sitting there. But she's about to get rescued, and she don't even know that she's about to be saved, but she gonna find out right now. I am Anna the rescuer, and we save the lives of homeless animals. Got her, guys. We got her. This is how we do it. Hi, Mama. Hey, it's okay, pretty girl. You're gonna be in good hands. Hey, Mama. You just got saved by 3 rescuers. Aren't you lucky? Hey, pretty girl. Oh, you are beautiful. You are beautiful and safe. Another cat off the streets of the boogie down Bronx. Anna the rescuer, thank you for watching. Shout out to Carmen, the rescuer, and Maria for saving the baby.